Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that a is equals to 5 and b is equals to 3. Find the value of negative 2b. The very first thing that we must show is that we have to substitute this value of b now, negative 2. I saw a b, and now b we know is 3. How do we substitute value? We put bracket or parenthesis. Alright, and that's how you show that you are substituting the value in. Okay, then from here, then we know negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. And for part B, now that we know that a is equals to 5, so later on you will also see that every time I substitute a value, it will be good to put a bracket. Same goes for b. That's how we substitute value in. And so this part here will be negative 2 bracket 5 square plus 3, and b is 3. And do make sure that you show all the working carefully and clearly. 5 square will be negative 2. 5 square is 25. And 3 times 3 is 9. And continue to show the working step by step. Negative 2 times 25 is negative 50. Plus 9. And finally, this one will give me negative 41. We have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.